What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we are making a creamy BLT dip. This has all of the taste of a BLT sandwich, but in a creamy and decadent dip form. Let's get started. So first you want to take 8 ounces of cream cheese, softened, and then combine that with 1.5 cups of Greek yogurt or sour cream. And then take 1 teaspoon of dried chives, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of dried dill. Mix that up. You can also use 2 tablespoons of pre-mixed ranch seasoning if you wish. And then take and spread that dip mixture into your serving dish that you plan to use. Spread it out. And then top that dip with 1 cup of shredded lettuce. I like to use romaine lettuce. 1 cup of fresh diced tomatoes. And then I use 5 slices of cooked and crumbled bacon. And there you have it, rich and creamy BLT dip.